Hi. So to get to our assignments, you're going to you got to go on your courses page right here on Schoology and click on our Algebra 2 class, Fifth Bell. And then at the top here, this is a heads up for the week, what you're supposed to do. And if you click on it, it makes it bigger, and you can click on the links in here. So you can click on this Edpuzzle video and it shows you what link you need to hit to get there. And so for Fifth Bell, this would be your link. Okay. And then when you click on that, it'll take you into your class. It'll look a little different for me. Than it will for you, but because of course it's got me logged in as a teacher. But when you click on that, it should take you in for the Edpuzzles videos. And if you watch that video for the week, it'll show you how to do the things that there's 3 videos. This is week 11, which is this week right now. There's 3 videos, and then you're supposed to, after you watch the videos, then you can do the assignment for the week. And if you click on this, it should tell you how to get there. And this is how to sign up for Math Account, Delta Math Account in class if you haven't had one, and how to use My Teacher Code to get in there. So you click Create Student Account and then Teacher Code. Now, this is for this week, and since this is like kind of week 2 on matrix stuff, it'll make more sense for you if you start with last week. So each week I put a folder down here that tells you the current week's assignments, and you can click on them and get the same information as at the top of the page. But if you need something older, you'll have to click on the past week, or at least this is one way to get to it. And then you can click on this and it tells you, it still has the links, how to get to Edpuzzle videos, but it kind of introduces you to matrices, okay? And then it tells you what to do. Another way to find assignments and when they're due on Schoology, when you open up our class, if you go over to where it says upcoming and there's this little calendar right here, you can click on it and it tells you the different things going on. And so it says, watch the Edpuzzle videos on Monday, which is today. And then it says that there's a Delta Math that's due Sunday. Now, of course, don't wait till Sunday to do it. That won't be enough time, right? You use this time during the week to do it. Last week, because we didn't have school Monday or Tuesday, the videos were assigned on Wednesday. And if you click on that, that will tell you how to find it. So anything in here that you need, you can go to the calendar or you can go to the folders for each week. So the folders are down here. Or you can just look at the top and click on it for the current assignments, for the current week stuff, okay? But I would suggest starting with week 10, okay? Start with week 10 because this week built on it, okay? And then you click on these and it tells you how to get to Edpuzzle and which 3 videos you should watch first, okay? And then when you go back to week 10, after you finish that, you click on inside week 10 folder. There's the Delta Math assignment and how to get to that website too, and which ones that you're going to work on. Okay?